Imagine owning a piece of the most successful businesses in the world, watching your wealth grow steadily over time, and never worrying about the latest market trends. That's the magic of investing like Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, and one of the richest people on the planet. But here's the best part. You don't need millions to start investing like him. In today's video, we're diving into Buffett's timeless principles for building wealth. Stick with me because these lessons could change your financial future forever. And if you enjoy unlocking life-changing financial insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's build your path to wealth, Buffett style. Secret 1. The power of compound interest. Buffett once said, "My wealth has come from a combination of living in America, some lucky genes, and compound interest." What makes compound interest so magical? It's your money earning money, and then that money earns even more money. Buffett started investing when he was just 11 years old. By starting early, he gave his investments decades to grow. But don't worry, it's never too late to begin. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to work for you. Want to know the secret formula that turns small investments into massive wealth? Stick around, because it's simpler than you think. Secret 2. Invest in what you understand. Buffett doesn't invest in things he doesn't understand. Whether it's tech stocks he avoided for years or cryptocurrencies he called rat poison, his principle is clear. Stick to your circle of competence. For example, he loves Coca-Cola, not just as a drink, but as a business he thoroughly understands. His advice? Only invest in companies whose products or services you use and understand in your daily life. This reduces risk and helps you make informed decisions. Think you need to be a financial wizard to pick stocks? Think again. Buffett's advice makes investing simple and effective. One of Buffett's core principles is protecting your downside. This is called the margin of safety. It's like buying a $100 bill for $70, giving yourself a cushion in case the investment doesn't go as planned. Buffett always looks for businesses that are undervalued. By buying them at a discount, he ensures that even if things go wrong, he doesn't lose much. It's about being conservative in a world full of risky bets. Do you know how to find investments with built-in safety nets? Buffett's strategy could save your portfolio from disaster. Secret 4. Patience is a superpower. Buffett is famous for his long-term approach. He often says, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." For Buffett, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. He buys companies he believes in and holds them for decades. His wealth didn't come from quick trades, but from letting his investments grow over time. Do you have the patience to let your wealth grow? Learn why it's one of the greatest advantages any investor can have. Secret 5. Avoid debt like the plague. Buffett advises staying far away from high-interest debt. He believes that debt is a wealth destroyer, not a builder. While many people get trapped by credit cards, Buffett avoided it and used his money to invest instead. His advice? If you have debt, especially credit card debt, pay it off before investing. You can't build wealth if your returns are wiped out by interest payments. Think you can grow wealth while carrying debt? Learn why paying it off might be your best investment yet. Secret 6. Invest for value, not popularity. Buffett doesn't chase hot stocks or trends. Instead, he focuses on value investing, buying great companies at a fair price. He looks for businesses with strong fundamentals, predictable earnings, and long-term potential. His advice? Ignore market noise and focus on the intrinsic value of the business. Just because everyone's buying something doesn't mean it's a good investment. Want to avoid the traps of trendy investments? Discover how to see through the hype and find real value. Secret 7. Reinvest your profits. Buffett reinvests his profits instead of spending them. This is one of the reasons his wealth grows exponentially. Instead of taking dividends, he often uses them to buy more shares or reinvest in other ventures. His advice? Let your profits generate even more profits. It's the ultimate snowball effect. Are you reinvesting your gains or spending them? This simple shift could transform your wealth trajectory. There you have it, Warren Buffett's secrets to building wealth. These timeless principles are simple, effective, and proven to work. Which of these secrets will you apply first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more wealth-building insights. Until next time, invest wisely and keep growing your financial future.